playing?
Hello.
Hello. I'm back here. It's me, Lyra.
Okay.
You can't even see it.
Okay, Mikey,
What?
why don't you put this, remember how we did that?
Yeah.
Let me scoot this closer to you. Okay. Go ahead, squeeze. Squeeze, not too
Back
hard.
to the challenge.
Not too hard. Okay, stop. Good. Now,
What?
we're gonna use this color.
What is that color?
And just go in between where there's no pink. Let's fill it in. Okay. Let me pop the bubbles.
Okay.
Stay back.
Bubbles. Kids cannot use it.
That's right, kids cannot use that. Okay, let's do some bright pink.
My
Okay.
hands.
Now you're gonna go like this. Do, 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 do. Okay? And don't squeeze too much at one time. Just a little bit. Squeeze. Oh, that's good. And again. And again. And again.
Here it comes.
Okay.
It looks like I'm gonna have a leash. I'm just gonna be on this case.
Okay, Mikey, let me pop the bubbles.
Ah! Okay. Bubbles.
Okay, let's do the boo, Mikey. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Squeeze.
Is tomorrow supposed to be heavy rain or light rain?
We're filming, honey. Okay.
It's also on a leash.
Okay, let's use the black cell activator, Mikey. Remember that?
Yeah.
Can you put it on?
Yeah.
Squeeze.
I just want to.
Oops, let me put the lid on. Let's try that again.
Can I have?
Yeah, huh? Go ahead. Woo! A little bit more. Okay. Oh, that's enough. Okay, we gotta kind of move it around like this.
Spread it out.
Spread it out.
Can I spread it out?
With your finger?
Yeah.
Okay, let me drip some of this off. I got a lot on there. Here, let me give you a napkin for your finger. Okay. You remember how we did this last time?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we don't want to press down hard. Just very gently. Gentle. Good, Mikey.
But this doesn't look like
Oops.
the butterfly.
Yeah, no, this is not the butterfly one.
What?
This is a swipe.
There's a swipe.
Like you did last time. Remember it turned out so beautiful?
But it was like the rainbow.
Oh, well, we got rainbow colors here. Okay, let's
Not
just
to
wait.
do, green.
Oh, no green.
Why?
Not today. Might get a
What
little...
about purple?
Well, I think that's good, but you want to do some doodles?
Mm-hmm. Doodles.
Remember doodles like last time?
Yeah.
Where's my doodle stick?
A doodle stick.
I'll get it. Okay.
Can I do it?
Yes. So you're gonna, how you want to do it?
Um,
Wait, let me pop a bubble. Okay, how do you want to do it?
Like this.
Like what? Go ahead. Good. Let's wipe it a little bit.
Ah.
Okay, let's do some more. Good. Good. Okay.
About this.
Let me turn it. We need a little bit right in this area. Go ahead. Good. Let's turn it around. Okay. A little bit more. Good. You want to do it anywhere else? How about right through the middle?
Yeah.
Okay. We got a lot of blue on that. Let me wipe your hands. You ready to spin?
Yeah. Ah.
Okay, go ahead. Spin it. Whoops.
Ah.
Okay, this time you're gonna hold it this here and you're gonna go this way.
Ah.
okay.
I got it on my
You got it on your face. Well, step back a little bit. Okay. Woo! Let it spin. Okay. Okay, let me help you here. Watch out.
What's it doing?
Don't touch, don't touch. The colors are beautiful. Let's move it a little bit this way. Don't worry, rub your hands together. Look at you. He's rubbing his hands together. Okay, let's spin it some more, Mikey. Okay. No, keep your hands.
There's paint on you.
Look at the painting, Mikey.
What is it doing?
It's spinning. We're getting some of the paint off and it's getting bigger. See how much bigger it is?
Yeah.
But look how beautiful that is.
What is it doing?
I don't want to spin too much more because it's so pretty. But we have to get some more. Look at that, Mikey. I think that's good. What do you think, Mikey?
Good.
Lyra, what do you think?
Good.
Okay.
Were those the same colors as mine?
I used the orange. I added the orange and I didn't use we didn't use any yellow.
Why?
Okay, so I'm gonna get some pictures while I clean up Mikey.